Hi, welcome to another episode of PNG YouTube Toktok. Okay, today we're gonna talk about how to create or how to generate a thumbnail using ChatGPT. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, if you're using a Android phone, uh, I'll be using a uh, a desktop Dell ProDesk. This is what we're gonna do. I have, I'll be putting up a screen on here, and then you guys need to follow the steps that how to generate a thumbnail. So thumbnail is a small image. Thumbnail is a small preview image that represent a video on YouTube. Any social media platform. It's a picture people see before clicking on your video to grow fast in YouTube. So using a thumbnail can be more uh, it can attract more viewers to what content that you are uploading. All right, okay, this is what you're gonna do. You have to get a picture, get one of the clear picture of yours, for example, something like that, or there's so many types of pictures that you're gonna upload. All right, get the clear picture of that, and then you're gonna paste it into ChatGPT. Right, okay, this is what you're gonna do when you paste it into ChatGPT. And the prompt that you're gonna do is, I want this is what you're gonna tell ChatGPT. I want you to generate a thumbnail for my content. So make sure you have to briefly explain what your content is all about. For example, if my content is all about how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT, right? Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Uh, I want you to generate a thumbnail using the image that I provided. So using the image that you are provided is the image of yours, maybe a reaction photo, maybe a smiling photo, any type of photo that you're gonna upload in the ChatGPT. Right, just put it in and it generate a prompt. You can see some prompts that I'm using, right? And then tell him definitely, boom, you will see your thumbnail, you know, will be created by ChatGPT. Simple, guys. Just click on the video. Just click on the photo and then download the photo. Put it in a Pixel Lab. I sometimes use Pixel Lab. Put it there, paste it there, and then put it in a size thumbnail size photo, thumbnail size photo image, and then done. All right. Thank you very much. Make sure don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, PNG YouTube Toktok. That's another episode for today. Signing out.